Another advantage of our Convotherm Max Pro is that you are able to connect your units to KitchenConnect, our cloud-driven service. That means for you, you are able to control and see what's going on in the units from your desk, on your laptop, wherever the units are, in the different region, in the different outlets, it doesn't matter. Also, it allows you to actually upload cookbooks, software updates. You can also export HACCP files, for example. Also, with KitchenConnect, the unit shares a lot of further information with you. Like, for example, what was the best-selling product? Are there any mistakes happening? Do you need to invest in further trainings in different regions? Anyway, with KitchenConnect, you have all units globally what are connected to your system under control, and it helps you to keep your organization clear. For further information, visit our homepage to get more details. So, with all those details I just showed you and with all the possibilities, I think you will understand and agree that the Convotherm is the most flexible cooking platform. And it will help you to create new, perfect ways of cooking for yourself. And I think it's really, really easy and simple to understand. If you still have any question, feel free, go on our homepage and get in contact with us.